Makita batteries. Found a bit of a hack. Cost just under a tenner, I think. But if you buy this charger, it'll start charging them again. Found that my batteries weren't charging, even though only had them over a year. They were in use, but not like continuous use. But I think what happens is the cells inside, one of them becomes less charged, or the pack, so it makes them unbalanced, so it just doesn't want to charge. However, the new charger that I'm going to show you charges it up, but just be mindful that you're going to have one battery that's not under the same load as the rest, so it could cause a fire. I don't know, but what I'm doing at the minute, it hasn't caused any harm. But do it at your own risk. Let's have a look. This is a noise you'll hear. Then whack it on your cheap charger.
Few moments later.
Voila, it's charged. Look at that. So that's the kind of charge you want to be getting or looking for. Good luck.